Hey everybody, James Driscoll here with Harmonic Tonic, talking to all you veggie gardeners out there. Make sure you're using this to not only drench your soil, but to also foliar feed and inoculate these leaf surfaces, keep these plants going strong. This zucchini's looking really nice. These plants really value their interaction and their communication with these microbes. Your plants use quite a bit of the photosynthate energy that they get from the sun and from the nutrients that they take up to release exudates into the soil to feed and communicate. Use your Harmonic Tonic on all your trees as well. Your fruit trees, your nut trees, any of that kind of stuff, they're all going to benefit from having a really healthy rhizosphere full of bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, all the things that are cycling nutrients and helping these trees grow really big. Oh my goodness. Whew. Look at the size of that guy. Harmonic Tonic, people. Grow your big veggies. Nice, organic, wonderful.